Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to test and publish your own Roblox game. So let's get started. First, open the Roblox Studio and load your game project. Then in the top menu, click Play button. And the play will test your game as a player. And play here, test the game from your current camera view and click Start to simulate a server with players useful for the multiplayer games. Try it out features like the movement and camera, the script and game mechanics, the UI buttons or game passes, and when done, click Stop to test the mode. Then use a view or output to view errors while testing your game. And how to publish your Roblox game. So, in the Roblox Studio, go to the top left and click the file and click the publish to Roblox as. Then choose create new game. Then fill in your important game details like your name, description, the genre, and device compatibility of your Roblox game. And set the game icon and the thumbnail. Click create and your game is now saved to Roblox. Just make your game public. Go to the Home tab and click the game settings and you can select the permissions tab. Change the privacy to public and click save. And now your game is now live and shareable with friends or public. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.